Today's adventure was really fun. I'm glad I could cheer you up. Have you ever done something you regret? Yeah? Have you ever breathed air? I mean, like, something you did out there that you can no longer make up for and you can't stop thinking about. I cut ties with my parents when I moved out. They were devout Mormons, and I wasn't. Despite that, I still wish I could see them again. But I'm stuck here. Is this your way of trying to get me to open up? It's my way of telling you that I trust you. I told you I was homeless. What else do you need to know? Do you trust me? Yeah, but it's kind of a lot. You're kind of a lot. But I still like you. A lot is fine. A lot is fine. Huh. I had a weird relationship with my parents. They split up when I was just starting high school. I was never close with my dad. He was there, but he also kind of wasn't. He never seemed proud of me, and I always felt like a disappointment to him. Like I could never live up to his standards. When they split up, I just never saw him again. I thought I would get along better with Mom, but after he was gone, she changed. When I was showed weakness, I was less of a man than him. When I lashed out, I was just as bad as him. It was confusing. It was like she missed him, but also hated him. And I became the target of all that. One stupid day, I was just kind of fed up with it. I told her something I regret telling her. Something deep and personal that I thought would get her off my back. But she laughed at me. Then she went off on me, and it didn't stop. Personal, degrading insults that felt like it went on forever. And so, despite all that, the thing that bothered me most was, at the end of all of it, she hugged me. I didn't know what to do. So I panicked, and I pushed her off with all the force I could. She fell backwards, and she didn't get up. I didn't know if she was just trying to make me feel bad, or I never found out the answer. I just ran as far away from it as I could. Whatever I did to her, I'll never know. I guess there's a lot of things I regret about that day. I'm sure she's fine. I mean, if the police never came after you, then she was probably fine. I'm sorry. I definitely overshared. Wait! I'm glad you trust me. This is embarrassing. Your secret's safe with me. Hey, is Jackson there? I think about that. I mean, that was not a good time. What do you want? If that was a bad time, I can come back later. That'll be cool. Good. Alright. So, if you tell anyone about this, I'm never speaking to you again. Sounds good? Yeah, I won't. Awesome, bye! Why am I such an idiot? Why am I such an idiot? Why am I such an idiot?